Alright, so today we'll actually be doing a photo shoot in one of our warehouses. We actually have a studio at this warehouse. It's a small studio, but it gets the job done. Some magazines actually want to feature me, so I need some new headshots, some lifestyle shots, because all my old ones, as you can see, I had no hair. Alright, so we just wrapped up our Zoom meeting. We're about to launch at Superdrug stores, and we'll just actually have hair. You'll be seeing a lot more of these YouTube videos. Be ready to see a whole bunch of videos popping up on YouTube. Just enjoy the journey. You'll see a little bit of the behind the scenes of what goes into running a company, making sure that we're creating content, making sure that we're having meetings with different distributors. You're just going to see a lot of travel. You're just going to see a bunch of stuff. Here we go. We're going to be walking over to the other warehouse. Actually, we're going to drive there. We'll start setting up all the different items we'll need for this photo shoot, and hopefully you see some of the outfits we have to get into, some of the work that goes behind the scenes on doing this photo shoot. Alright, we're going to drive over to our other warehouse, make sure that we have everything from lights, wardrobe. We got a haircut, so I don't need that, and I guess if I had a makeup artist that would help, but no makeup artist today, so hopefully in post edit they'll be able to clean up some of these blemishes. Alright, so just so you know, on most photo shoots there's somebody there for grooming and a makeup artist, but since I'm a barber, I groom myself, and I'm not a makeup artist, but in post editing with Photoshop they can do some of this makeup stuff. So it's real important when you guys shoot out some type of a press kit, right? When you're trying to get sponsorships, when you're actually trying to put some type of a deck together, you're gonna need some images. And also when a magazine wants to do a feature on you, you also need different images. iPhone pictures are cool, but that's not necessarily what they're looking for. They're looking for bigger size images so they're able to stretch it out or do whatever it is that they need to do with these images. So again, I haven't actually done a photo shoot in many years. The last one that I had, again, I had very low haircut because I used to wear my hair very low. During the pandemic, I let it grow out, and people actually were like writing me and they were like, hey, is that a wig? Because I've gone so many years having such a low haircut, but I actually let it grow, and no, it's not a wig. As you can see, I don't want to mess up my hair, but you can see it's my actual hair, which there's nothing wrong with a wig. There's like man weaves and man wigs nowadays, but this isn't the case. If you're out there getting that done, more power to you. I had that option, or if I need to do it, I may just try it, but this is really my hair. Alright, let's go inside. Alright, so this is our little mini studio. As you can see, we have some lights. We have a mirror right here. More lights. So again, this is a white backdrop. Very important when you're doing any type of photo shoot. You definitely need a backdrop. Preferably white. They have sometimes light blue, gray, green, especially if you want to do some green screen stuff. Typically you want to have a white backdrop. So here in a second, a photographer will be here to take some pictures. First outfit of the shoot, just kind of business casual. I normally wear a tie, but I'm probably just going to keep it casual on this one. Feels weird having all these lights on you. I don't know if I should give them the Zoolander look. No, that doesn't work. I don't know if I should smile. Or should I give them the serious, the 90s R&B, blue steel. Am I the only one that always gets like camera shy when they're taking pictures? It's like a weird feeling when someone's taking pictures of you. Doing some lifestyle photos right now, making sure not only we get the headshots but some lifestyle shots as well. Yeah, it's hard to see. They look really exposed on my forehead. Yeah. The bad thing about sometimes too much daylight, that's what I was saying, more. You're gonna look shiny. Yeah. Unless you go in the back of the warehouse where maybe there's more of a shadow.
On the other side?
Yep. Should we try another outfit for headshots, or Because I basically, for this magazine stuff, they want like 7 to 10 pictures with, you know, a couple different outfits.
Got it.
So I don't know if I should, well, let's go outside with this outfit and maybe get a couple outside shots of this as well. What about a shot like this?
Over here?
Yeah, just kind of like a lifestyle. Just, you know, because this kind of screams manufacturing and distribution with the pallets in the back. You know what I mean? We could, Justin, I could maybe sit on this one.
So sit on this box. Oh, yeah, that's alright. Off the edge, though, like
this.
Yeah.
So we're here in one of the warehouses. We're actually utilizing this as a set for our photos. Just kind of get the vibe and the mood of where all this comes from, which is basically, you know, distribution, manufacturing, creating products, stock, inventory. That's basically what my life consists of at this point. I think it's good that we're actually getting these images, because sometimes people just see on Instagram, you know, the cars, the house, the travel, but they don't realize the behind the scenes. So I think it's good that Justin's capturing the true essence of what having your brand really looks like. All right, here we go. Outfit number 3. Alright, so we're about to take a couple lifestyle pictures outside, behind the warehouse, give it more of that warehouse feel, and woo, it is hot. It is hot, hot. Maybe against this, the boom boom.
Let's do a loud one.
Ah, yeah, it's just clean. Some lifestyle shots out here. I think it's still too sunny.
Move back.
Huh?
Move back, because the sun is in your forehead.
Like this. Can you take one kind of like sideways like this? Like, so there's some depth of field. But I might even be like this. You able to get full body?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, that's a wrap for right now.